Hello my dear students, welcome to another video. ¿Qué tal mis queridos estudiantes? Bienvenidos a otro video. Today we are going to talk about I have and I don't have. El día de hoy hablaremos lo que en castellano significa yo tengo y yo no tengo. Very good. Okay, I'm going to make some examples. Pay attention. I have a racket. Okay? Nice. Another. I have a ball. And I have a penguin. Yeah, this is my friend the penguin. Yes or no, my friend? Great, excellent. Okay, now let's do it different. Let's repeat after me. Okay, van a repetir después de mí. 1, 2, 3. Attention. I have a racket. Aha, great. The next one. I have a ball. Wow, good. And penguin. Are you ready? Yes. I have a penguin. Perfect. Okay, my friends. English is easy. Okay, my little penguin. All right. So now I don't have. For example, I don't have a tablet. Yeah, no tablet for me. I don't have a jump rope. And I don't have goggles. Yeah, I don't have goggles. Okay, so now let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. I don't have a tablet. The next one. I don't have a jump rope. And goggles. I don't have goggles. Wow, that was excellent. Easy or difficult? Easy. Okay, now let's play charade. Attention. Look, vas a adivinar lo que yo te voy a tratar de decir con mis gestos. Okay? Attention. Sorry. This is I have. I have. O sea, cuando hago esto es yo tengo. I have. And this is I don't have. Okay? Okay, repeat after me. I have. I don't have. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. For example, what is it? I have a book. Great. Another. Yeah. I don't have a guitar. And one more. A little difficult. No, a little tricky. Correct. I have a phone. I have a phone. And the last one. And let me check. Okay. Correct. I don't have goggles. Very good, my dear students. Muy bien, excelente. Ok. So, easy or difficult? Easy. Muy bien. No olvides de seguir practicando en casa con las fichas y no te preocupes si te equivocas por allí. Recuerda que estás aprendiendo. Ok, my dear students. See you. Goodbye. Take care.